with him talking. So the 72 panels go in pretty easily. They just slide in between these posts here, and they slide into the channel up top. Once the screws are in, they're then attached with angle plates here with a bolt and a nut at 3 locations, one at the bottom, one in the middle, and then one at the top. And that's the same for all of these panels. So these panels number 72 go in between these rails, and they fit in the bottom channel. There's one at the bottom channel, and then there's also a top channel, and that's just to support it at the top. And then it's also supported by 2 screws here. You can pick either one where these braces come together. One here, and then they also get attached with angle brackets that are jointed by a bolt and a nut in 3 locations every stud. And additionally, these are joined here at the ribs this way. You got one angle on one side and then the other angle on the other side. And the side panels are joined by 2 angles with a bolt and a nut. And the idea is here to make sure that there's pressure with the angled plate against the polycarbonate panels. And then they're tied in together with the nut on the other side. On the corners, it's just one angle plate, and it's straightforward. You line things up, one bolt and one nut, and it's the same principle. You want to squeeze the angle plate against the panel and tighten it down.